Hello students, today we will study about different methods of classification of data. We have already read about samples, sampling methods, questionnaire, schedule, data collection, primary data, secondary data. Now we have already collected the data. We want to classify them. We will gather data from so many different respondents from different places at different time. They may not be the same. So now how to classify the data? Data must be classified according to the objective of the study. For example, you are going for a study on gender biasness. So data must be divided according to the responses of male and responsiveness of female. Then if you are going to the objective of your study is to study the literacy rate, then you have to divide the data according to the qualifications of the people from whom you have collected the data. If you want to study the economic standards of the people, you have to study it from the point of view of income of the people. So you will divide the data accordingly. So depending on the objective or the purpose of the study, you have to divide or classify the data. There are 4 different methods of classifying the data. First one is geographical, chronological, qualitative and quantitative. Geographical, chronological, qualitative and quantitative. For example, we are collecting data. We have collected data from different countries like USA, Australia, India regarding the production of wheat per kg in hectares. So 2000 kg per hectare in USA, 1500 kg per hectare in India and 750 kg per hectare in Australia. So geographically we have tried to understand the production capacity with regard to wheat in 3 different countries. Then this will be known as geographical classification of data. Okay. Now let us move towards chronological. Chronological means time wise, season wise, year wise. When we are classifying the data, that will be known as chronological classification of data. Like in the year 2001, the population was 102 crores in India. In the year 2011, the population is 121 crores in India. So we have done it with the help of different time. Different time में अलग-अलग time में population कितना था इंडिया में. जैसे कि business reports आते हैं, हर quarter में कितना profit हुआ है, up to March कितना हुआ है, up to June कितना हुआ है, फिर up to September कितना हमारा income हुआ है, फिर again in December what is our income. So all this will be regarded as chronologically. एक सीरीज या एक हम पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हैं, टाइम के पैटर्न को, that is known as chronological classification of data. Chronological classification of data helps us to analyze or predict that what can happen next. Okay? जैसे पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रहा है, बढ़ते क्रम में है या घटते क्रम में है. अगर बढ़ते क्रम में है, इन 10 सालों में कितना बढ़ेगा, या फिर प्रॉफिट ऑफ business unit, whether it is increasing or decreasing. If it is increasing, it is increasing at rate or it is increasing at decreasing rate. So what may be the profit in next 1 year or in next quarter, that we can predict with the help of chronological classification of data. Chronological classification of data is very much used in share trading. जो लोग share trading करते हैं, chronologically उनके जो जिस कंपनी के shares उन्होंने खरीदे हैं उसके पैटर्न को जानने की कोशिश करते हैं, और जो एक इंक्रीजिंग रिटर्न्स दे रहा है एट इंक्रीजिंग रेट, उसमें अब वो लोग ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं. क्रोनोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ डाटा में टाइम सीरीज एनालिसिस बहुत यूज होता है टू प्रेडिक्ट व्हाट मे हैपन इन द फ्यूचर. तो पहला हमारा क्लासिफिकेशन हो गया जियोग्राफिकल क्लासिफिकेशन, देन कम्स द क्रोनोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन एंड देन कम्स द क्वालिटेटिव क्लासिफिकेशन. Now certain things are there which cannot be told in an objective manner. Yes, no, या फिर हम हर चीज़ को हम क्वांटिटी में डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. Sometimes we need to divide it with the help of quality, like male and female. Male and female. In such case, how many number of males are there? How many number of females are there? If we are going for such kind of classification of data, that is known as qualitative classification. Rich or poor, we are not saying that up to this income, up to that income, we are not saying like that. Rich or poor, we are deciding, then that will be known as classification of data. very subjectively when we are classifying the data. It is not objective, no, very subjectively when we are classifying the data, that is known as qualitative classification. Then comes the quantitative classification. क्लास में कुछ बच्चे हैं, मैंने टेस्ट किया 30 स्टूडेंट 30 मार्क्स का, 0 to 10 5 स्टूडेंट्स का आया, 10 to 20 7 स्टूडेंट्स का आया, 20 to 30 12 स्टूडेंट्स का आया. That will be known as quantitative classification of data. Quantitative classification of data में statistical tool use करना, mean, median, mode, dispersion, regression, correlation, ये सब करना बहुत आसान होता है और बहुत अच्छा reliable result भी इसमें से आता है. ठीक है? So these are the 4 kinds of classification. Other classifications are also there which you might be studying in the higher classes. But the major classifications which are helpful in statistics to segregate the data, to divide the data in different categories, that is geographical, chronological, qualitative and quantitative. Geographical is area wise, it may be production or population or literacy rate or poverty or health facilities. You can check geographical area wise, like छत्तीसगढ़ के अलग-अलग डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज, नंबर ऑफ हॉस्पिटल्स आप ले लेंगे, दैट इज जियोग्राफिकल. क्रोनोलॉजिकल, छत्तीसगढ़ में 2001 में कितने हॉस्पिटल्स थे, 2011 में कितने हॉस्पिटल्स थे, 2021 में कितने हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, दैट विल बी रिगार्डेड एज क्रोनोलॉजिकल. छत्तीसगढ़ के हॉस्पिटल्स में कितने मेल डॉक्टर्स हैं, कितने फीमेल डॉक्टर्स हैं, इसको अगर आप लेंगे देन दैट विल बी नोन एज क्वालिटेटिव डाटा. एंड अगेन क्वांटिटेटिव में अगर हम लेंगे, रूरल में एक हॉस्पिटल में कितने स्टाफ काम करते हैं, अर्बन में एक हॉस्पिटल में कितने काम करते हैं. सपोज 10 एम्प्लॉइज वाले कितने हॉस्पिटल्स हैं इस एरिया में, ब्लॉक में 20 एम्प्लॉइज वाले कितने हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, 30 एम्प्लॉइज वाले कितने हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, देन दैट विल बी रिगार्डेड एज क्वांटिटेटिव डाटा. दीज आर द मेजर methods of classifying the